Hey Mindful Chef community, this is Chef Kevin and today we're talking all things knives. Now, you wouldn't use a butter knife to slice into a nice juicy ribeye steak. So let's talk about different types of knives and their uses. What I have here is your classic chef's chopping knife. Now this is a multi-purpose knife that you pretty much use for everything. Paring knife. It's a smaller knife. I use this to peel ginger or garlic or anything small. A serrated knife. This you pretty much use for pastry, slicing loaf of bread, but as you know, we're gluten-free here, so no use for that. And a carving knife. Now this is a good knife because of its length to slice into a steak or any roasted meats. It's not a pen or a pencil, it's a knife. So let me show you how to hold it. As you can see, what we have here, you obviously have the blade and here we have the handle. So what we're looking for, you got your index finger and you want to place it here. Now you grip the handle as firmly as you can and this is set up for the correct position. So when we go to use a knife and a chopping board, it's just set up perfectly for us to chop whatever we choose to chop. All right, Mindful Chef community, that's a wrap, and that's how to use a knife.